This is a portable power generator, 27,000 milliamps that can be charged via a solar panel of 12 volts or higher. It could be charged via a 12 volt from a car, as well as 19 volts through an AC adapter. It has USB-A ports, it has USB-C ports, and it has two AC ports. And we have here is a TV set. I'm going to turn it on and allow the TV to set up, turn on, and show you it working 100%. And we can run it for a number of hours. Now, if we hook it up to the solar power panel and run it off of the power bank, 27,000 milliamps, we could run all day long while it's charging and get so many hours during the night. So let's give a nice close-up look at what we get inside the box. This is a 27,000 milliamp battery generator with a battery indicator of the center button that will go off in a matter of seconds. You have a DC button and an AC button. This is your DC side. Down where my index and thumb is at, it's going to light up when I press the button. Now, if you want to get to the AC side, simply just shut the DC side off and press over here. You'll see a red indicator and a blue light come on. You have a 2-prong and a 3-prong and the AC DC port that you plug in to your power. Now let's shut the unit off and let's show you the 12 volt cigarette socket that you plug in to the left side, and you could charge it via your car, automobile, up to 5 full hours. If you want to do it via AC, you plug it into the AC side over here, and it takes up to 5 full hours of 19 volts charging the unit. You have the option of getting a solar panel like so, 12 volts. You purchase a cable like so, and it plugs in to this particular port or this port. And here is from a solar panel up on a roof that is 100 watts that can charge the unit all day long. It will run the unit, allow you to turn your TV set on while charging the unit. This is 88 plus watts. It's about an amp that will run a TV, maybe a small refrigerator, and so forth. There's unlimited possibilities of using the AC and the DC. If we turn the unit around, we have a lighting system. We have a spotlight and an LED circle light, plus the spotlight is an SOS. There are 3 to 4 levels of lighting. Short press, low light, the second level, the third level, and the fourth level lights all the lights up. And when we go at SOS, we press in, long press, only the center light will do the SOS, and again to shut off. In any of the modes, you can turn the SOS on, but you have to cycle through to get off the actual lighting. On the top of the unit, you do have a handle. It's easy to carry. It doesn't fit your whole hand, but is able to carry and also hang up on a hook. It weighs a couple of pounds. It takes up to 4 or 5 hours to fully charge the 27,000 milliamp batteries. I know one of the questions we're going to get asked, can you do the AC and DC at the same time? And how much can you hook up before the unit overheats or shuts down or blows a fuse? This has a built-in fuse protector. It'll shut off automatically until you unplug everything and plug it back in. So let's demonstrate some of the items that you could plug in to this unit. On the AC side, we have a charger port charging a light and a soldering station that is well over 600 degrees and doing a great job. On the DC side, we have a camera charging and a microphone system charging. And we don't have the solar panel hooked up during the day to give it unlimited power. So this unit is doing a nice job indeed. No less the back of the unit, you can see the light is on as well. So there's a lot this unit can do. Listen carefully. This unit has a built-in fan, so it protects the unit from overheating. And that is something that is pretty neat indeed. We could shut the AC side down and shut the DC side down, and the fan will go off and everything shuts off. While everything's plugged in, I had it on there for about 10 minutes, and this unit is quite cool still, even with the fan going on. So this unit packs a powerful punch, something that you want to use for camping, emergency situations. This is a 27,000 milliamp battery generator that you may be interested in. I hope you enjoy your battery powered generator.